Hello and welcome. In this session we are going to look more closely about the user interface for views. Last time we created this course page view which gives all the upcoming training courses. Maybe we can move this course over to this side. We'll do that under structure, menus, then main navigation, edit menu. Then we just move that course over here, save it, go back and have a look. So that course is here. So this is the upcoming training course page view. To look at more closely the user interface of views, you go to structure and see views. If you don't see views here, that means it is not activated. You can activate views by going to extend and type views. You can see views and views UI, views user interface. Views does all the heavy work of creating the views. User interface is an administrative interface for the view. When you finish with the views and you are promoting your site to production, it is better to switch off the views for two reasons. One reason is the views, switching off the views in production will improve site performance. And the other one is the people who don't accidentally change views. Go to structure and views. So these are the views. All the views you see here comes with Drupal out of the box. And the only one we created is the training courses view we created. And there are a couple of views here disabled. That means the view is there, but it is disabled. And for example, this glossary, the glossary view here will display alphabetic listing of your contents. Let's have a look. Say enable. When it is enabled, this goes to the site main navigation page. Let's have a look. So this is the glossary view. See, if you click on say H, these are the two articles there, and under P, so anything start with P goes there like that. So you can put this view anywhere you like. I just showed you this one, but I don't want this on my site at the moment, so I want to remove it. To remove, go to structure, views, where is this, glossary, and edit, disable. So that will go back in here. So that view is now gone. We are here to have a closer look at the views. Let's look at that. Structure, views, and the one we created is training courses. Let's edit that. These are the various display type. At the moment we created a page display type. You may be creating hundreds of views in your organization, so it's always a good idea to have a good name. What is this one? Upcoming trainings. We change the display name to upcoming training courses. It's more useful. Title is not a compulsory field, but it is good to have for accessibility purposes. Format is you can have a grid or HTML list or table or anything you want. You can also download different modules to show different things, different way you want to display. The settings related to the theming of your work and different classes, that's more advanced, and we will look into that later. And show means what you want to see, and at the moment we are setting the content, the entire content. If you're having block displays, you can choose a specific field if you like, and at the moment just leave it content. In the fields, there is nothing in the fields because in this page view we are choosing to show the entire content, not field. If it is field, you can choose which field you want here. The filter is what is to show. At the moment we are going to show only published contents. and the type is we choose only the course. You can add other content type if you like, but for us we want upcoming courses, so course content type we are showing. And this is sorting, which order you want to sort. So this is the basic selection, the basic. This part here is the page specific selection. In the page settings, you can have path setting. You can give the path name where it is located. You can also add a header and footer for your page if you like, and you can also add no results behavior. That means if the page is not found, or if nothing is not there, you can add a message here. Let's add a message. Add. There are various different type of things you can add. I just want to add just a simple text. So text, and we add provide a markup text for the area. Apply, and you just type in what text you want. No information found. You can always come and change it. You can add tags and so on. Apply, and if at any time if you want to change it, just click on it and change the text. And the pager is how many pages you want, and the default is 10 pages at a time, and I put 5 pages. And on the right side is more advanced. Once you are comfortable with Drupal at an intermediate level, then you can start playing around here. You can have more finer controls using advanced. At the moment we don't do that. Down here is the preview. So whatever you set here, you can see how it looks on the preview. The preview takes a lot of processing power, so if your site is too slow, better switch it off, auto preview. But for our purpose, I just want to keep the auto preview, so you can see what's happening. And another thing is when whatever changes happened, you say you have unsaved changes. Always make sure, see there's a star there too. These are indication that you have unsaved changes, so save it. So that's now training courses have been saved. That is a brief look at the Views user interface. Thank you.